Hello, fellow foodies, and welcome to another edition of Island Girl Food TV with your one and only chef, Raquel Fox. And today, we'll be making Jamaican rice and peas. It is COCO-NUTTY deliciousness and the sequel to my Jamaican jerk chicken. So if you love this wonderful vegetarian rice, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, and don't forget to ring that bell so you get an alert every time I upload a new fabulous recipe. If you're going, let's go. Cooking is a breeze when we have all of our ingredients in its place. So we have our long grain white rice, we have coconut milk, red bell pepper, our minced garlic, green onions, Raquel seasoning salt, we have brown sugar, red kidney beans, and thyme, and our cracked allspice berries. We're bringing 3 cups of water up to a boil, adding 1.5 cups of red kidney beans, and then we're going to add about 4 cloves of minced garlic. You want to soak these red kidney beans overnight as it promotes quick cooking. We're adding 1 tablespoon of cracked allspice berries, 2 tablespoons of Raquel seasoned salt, and we want these beans to cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And then we're going to add 2 cups of coconut milk. A good coconut milk is so important, especially one with the first cream, that delicious, thick, luscious first cream. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of dark brown sugar, 1/2 of red bell pepper diced, 4 cups of rinsed long grain white rice. You can also use medium grain white rice as well. And then we're going in with 3 green onions, thinly sliced on the diagonal, 4 thyme sprigs, and optional, you may add 1 whole Scotch bonnet pepper to get the flavor of the skin. Turn the heat to low and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. If your rice is still a bit greeny, then add a splash of water. Use a fork to fluff your beautiful rice. Here you have a delicious Jamaican rice and peas. Jamaican rice and peas is a staple recipe in Jamaican food culture. You can enjoy by itself as a vegetarian dish, or it's great with protein like jerk chicken or escovitch fish. I enjoy this rice in my family, and I hope it will become a part of your family's recipes. But until next time, tune in to Island Girl Foods TV to see more sensational, luscious Caribbean recipes. And remember, when it comes to Caribbean cuisine, no one does it better than your island girl, Chef Raquel Fox. See you next time.